Hey guys, got one. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
That looks like a spawned out largemouth bass.
Is this a good spot? Can you hold him? Whoa.
Look at that. It's a big mouth and not a very big belly, which makes me think it might be a spawned out female. But there's really no way to know. Here, let's let Julia hold him first. Got it? Okay.
Cool. Whoa. You kind of have little teeth.
Yep. Careful! Don't drop her.
He scratched me.
It's alright. Like this. See?
Something scratched me on it.
Now they do have, here, feel. It's not exactly teeth, but
How do you use it?
alright, time to let her go here. See you later, buddy. First fish, and most fish, and biggest fish.
I got one!
Alright, reel it in. You got a bass. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Good job.
I caught one!
Good job.
We really hit the good spot. Yeah! And it was a little guy.
Yep, he's a little guy. I'm going to need, no, largemouth bass.
Can I let him go, Dad?
Small largemouth bass.
Can I let him go?
Yep, I'm gonna need the pliers out of the bag. Here.
Okay.
Careful, he has spines on the back there.
He's doing it. Oh, dude, we just open. No way, we're gonna have your fishies. I got him good. I got him good there. Dad, can I let him go?
You'll be okay. Where I'm not seeing.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Here, push the button on the reel. Push it. Don't keep pushing it. There we go.
Let him go.
Well, I gotta get him unhooked first.
Rachel, hold it. No. I guess I have good luck with this one. Can I keep this one? Like, can I put that to this one? Sure. Yeah. This is my good reel.
Got.
At least I know that there's more than one fish in here.
Oh yeah.
Black bass and channel catfish.
Got in his lung, or not his lungs, his gills.
Oh, that's funny. I guess I just... Sorry, fishy.
Looks like he's been caught before too. You see the hole right there? That?
Maybe that was the one that you hooked earlier.
Here, this is Julie's fish. Like this. There you go. Okay. Hey, no, like this. Like this. Okay?
Close it.
Close enough.